Welcome back to the channel. We're here at Holley's Ford Fest. Amazing event, and there's some amazing stuff going on out here. It's super fun. We're gonna rip around, have a good time. Stick around, it's a lot of fun.
What are we about to do, Matt?
About to see what this thing makes.
What are your guesses?
150. 135.
What?
135.
11 to 150.
I don't know. It's a little hot today.
127.
Ooh. 127.
All right, I'm gonna go with, so we got 135, 127. I'll say, I'll give you 138.
Make a guess. 200. 200. All right, what do you think?
210.
210.
Wow.
210.
I like these people.
Salted him there.
127.
Dang, dude.
Max
Look at that power curve.
So flat.
Donnie wins. 127.
I win a free beer.
Way to go, Donnie.
I'm very impressed.
All right, so Matt just got 127 horsepower. Now it's my turn. How much do you think I'll get?
I'm still going with 135.
135.
Yeah.
So the first time I dynoed mine, it was about 125. So,
Yeah.
I mean, about the same. So we'll see if, let's see, Proflow, exhaust, headers, I don't know what else
Few
I've
odds
done.
and
here.
ends.
Few odds and ends. See if I've made any improvements.
Yep.
Oh, yeah. All right, what do you say? How much? What's your bet?
Well, based off what you said and 35s, 138.
138. What do you think?
We'll be optimistic. We'll give you a 158.
158. All right, Donnie. What do you think?
I'm gonna give it 165.
165. All right, Matt. Final bet.
Yeah,
Right here.
135.
135.
Sticking with it, yeah.
You were just in your engine, so
Yep,
we're about
yep.
to find out.
Yeah, we're gonna see if my.
One 166. That's pretty good, but that's not as high as I thought. I would have thought, but still good.
How much air can you get with 166 horsepower?
Oh yeah.
166 feet.
I'm very nervous, actually. It's you know, heart beating fast. I don't want to be that guy that breaks down and can't finish the lap, but we'll see. All right, so I just went on the course. Now it's Donnie's turn. Gonna get some video of him going through the course.
All right, how do you feel?
Oh, I'm psyched. Yeah, we're gonna get some air. I probably should have emptied all my junk out of here first.
How was
I got
that?
a little muddy. I felt like I was way high in the air, but I just kept adding 2 miles per hour every time I hit that jump.
How fast were you going when you hit it?
34 that
Oh,
time.
wow.
40 is supposed to get you big air.
Wow. It looked good. Someone brought their Raptor. Had some fun in their Raptor as well. Got it all muddy. That's what it's for. Get your Broncos muddy. Mine, a little bit of mud. Not a ton, just a little bit. How'd it feel?
Feels amazing! Everybody needs to come out here and play with their Broncos. Let's do this.
So you can actually see right here, right there, that is where my drag link is hitting my cross member right up here, just ever so slightly. The rest of it, and I actually think they're banging right here too. So, but everything else looks like it's holding together pretty good. We'll see if it drives back to Nashville, but it's only an hour and a half back to Nashville from here, so we should be good. All right, so I'm here with Vaughn. Dude, you've been just ripping around on the course out here. What's it been like taking it out there?
Yeah, it's been amazing. We brought our Bronco Fun Runner, which is a collaboration between RTR and Fun Haver Offroad.
Yeah.
It's got a mid-travel kit, Fox shocks, all the goodies, Recaro seats. So we just gave 20 ride-alongs.
Oh my God.
Is an absolute blast. And then we've got the RTR 001. It's actually my personal vehicle.
Nice.
And the course amazing. I mean, the thing I love about Broncos is whether it's more stock or full, highly modified like the Fun Runner, they have amazing capability. You just have to adjust the speed, right?
Yeah.
So the jumps here are amazing. Went through the rock pile, went over the obstacles, just no problem.
What packages do you guys have with RTR? Like, can someone build that Bronco that you just took out? Can someone build this?
Absolutely. So RTR is my company. I started it about 12 years ago.
Wow.
Focused on Mustangs, and now we have Mustangs, F-150s, tons of parts, Broncos, and basically my vision is to put smiles on faces. And so we take the products that Ford develop, we're only focused on Ford products,
okay,
and enhance them. So you can buy our complete RTR Bronco packages. We have multiple packages. We have more of just an appearance package, wheels, tires, graphics. Then we have with protection, so some added protection on their rear bumper, very strong rock sliders, our tailgate carrier, things like that. And then we have a lighting package.
So what I'm hearing is if you want to drive like Vaughn, all you have to do is buy his parts. I mean, there's the...
That's it.
Like,
skill comes with them.
You can win the Ultra 4, competition as well in a Bronco with his parts. No, dude, that's awesome. Thank you so much. I've got a early Bronco,
cool,
the 75 out here. I think I'm gonna beat you.
Okay,
honestly, I'm pretty fast in it. It's got the stock 302, and
sick.
It's ripping pretty good.
As long as you're having fun, dude, the times don't matter.
It's so fun.
Yeah,
it's been so fun out here. Well, thank you for your time, man. All right, Matt, we're here. What are you about to do?
I'm about to drive Nash on the racetrack.
Dude, I'm excited for him. Like, I think you're gonna have fun. If you break it, you bought it.
Oh yeah.
I feel like that may be the last time I drive my Bronco in a really long time. So Matt just took my Bronco out. I didn't get much, but I got the 2 jumps. How did it feel?
I mean, it ran great. To be honest, I was really surprised at how well it took the jumps, the corners. The best time I've ever had driving a Bronco for sure.
Yes.
And it's not even my Bronco.
Yes.
So mine's over here sitting pretty while we get to tear up John. So.
Dude, it's so much fun though. Like, I know you're not going as fast as like Vaughn Gittin Jr, but
no.
Man, like it feels like you're on the edge the whole time, and you're gonna roll or you're gonna lose it. Like,
you're gonna blow a tire, something's gonna break off, but hey, it was a lot of fun, man.
So fun. So
Gotta come next year for sure.
Yeah, yeah. Well, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Man, this event is just so much fun. I mean, like, it really, just being able to take your Bronco off a jump, that's not something that a lot of people can do. And honestly, it was like, I had to put the roll cage in my Bronco, but we were just able to do it, you know? And so it's really a cool event, and I dynoed it as well, you know, you guys saw that. And there's just so much that you can do with the drift course and the drag strip. It's a really great event, definitely worth it. We will be back next year for sure. So if you want to, you can camp with us, hang out with us, and that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.